Let's talk about the front styling here for the 2023 Corolla GR. As you guys can see, looking at these headlights here, they're going to be an LED projector with an LED daytime running light, LED turn signal. There's a GR badge here. There's also LED fog lights with the Toyota logo front and center. All this is functional in the front fascia of this vehicle. This is a 1.6 liter turbocharged 3-cylinder. This makes 300 horsepower and 276 pound-feet of torque. As you guys can see, I love the aggressive styling. This is one of the most aggressive looking Corollas that you guys can buy. As of this filming, not right now, but Toyota should be having these vehicles out very, very soon. This also has GR brake calipers. I like the multi-spoke gloss black finish wheels. These are a 235/40. They're wrapped in this 18-inch rim design. They're Michelin tires, so good tires on the market here. There's also the GR badge here. This is a heat extractor, gloss black mirror caps, LED sight marker. Let's take a look at the interior real quickly here. As you guys can see, I'm going to sit inside the GR Corolla here. You also have this fully digital display here. Nice 3-spoke rim design, GR badge there. Nice stitching here. This does support the newer infotainment system, which supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Above me, there's this accented LED lighting here. This also has a 6-speed manual transmission. Heated seats here for the driver and passenger. Also, a wireless phone charger, drive mode selector, your traction control. Over here is for the front and rear. I guess you guys can switch if you want to drive it in front wheel drive or put it in between front wheel drive or rear wheel drive, if I'm not mistaken. That's the GR4 logo there. Cup holders, traditional handbrakes, so you guys can do those J turns. A little bit of storage here. That's a USB charging port and a 12-volt. The seats are very supportive and comfortable. They're very aggressively bolstered. They have GR on the seats here. The materials on the dash can be a nice soft touch material. Air vents are here. Let's get into the back seat really quick and look at the back room space. But getting back here, keep in mind, guys, I'm only 5'8", and I do have a good amount of headroom here, and that's LED lights back here. There's some rear air vents, but you do get 2 map pockets. Also, there's some good foot space back here. Gloss black trim, cup holder space is there. You can sit 3 people across, and there's also the suede Alcantara here on the back seat as well, so Toyota didn't skimp out with that. But overall, the back seat of the Corolla doesn't feel like a penalty box, but it is a little tight. But let's do a quick walk around of the rear. As you guys see, you also have the 3 exhaust trim here. That's a GR Corolla badge there with the Toyota logo, backup camera, and the cargo back here is a manual opening. It's a hatch, so it does offer a good amount of space, and there is some underfloor storage here with the fix-a-flat kit. But I wish that it was power operated, but that's a small nitpick. But I hope you guys have enjoyed this quick first look here at the 2023 Toyota Corolla GR. Like I mentioned, this thing is making 300 horsepower, so it does compete against the Honda Civic Type R, also the Volkswagen Golf R. So this class is getting very hot in the segment. But let me know what you guys think about the Corolla GR.